Hello. In continuation with application of derivatives, today we are taking exercise 6.3, which is fully based on tangents and normals. So let us discuss about the tangents and normals. Tangents and normals. By the way, it's not new thing for you, tangents and normal. You have been studying since class 10th, tangents and normals. But in application of derivative, for example, suppose there's a curve, f of x. F of x is a curve. Okay. And we are talking about the tangent. So you know that tangent is a line which is just touching to the circle. Okay. Or the tangent which is touching to the arc. Suppose this point is x0 and y0. Okay. Point is x0, y0 where this tangent is touching to the arc. Okay. At x0 and y0. Equation of tangent, or I ask you, equation of line passing through x0, y0 and gradient or slope m. Slope is m. What is the formula? Equation of the line passing through x0, y0 and gradient or slope is equal to m. So the formula is y minus y0 is equal to gradient x minus x0. Isn't it? This is the equation of a tangent where x0, y0 are the points which are on the tangent, and m is a gradient. The name it is slope, gradient or tan theta. That means tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Right? So y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. So with the help of differentiation, because the tan theta is coming here, tangent, when we are finding the tangent. Okay. So if I differentiate this term, dy dx fx is equal to f dash x. Okay. Dy by dx f of x at x0, y0. It is coming f dash x, that means f dash x0. What is it? F dash x0. So after differentiation of this curve, whatever it is coming, f dash x or f dash x0 is a slope. This is also a gradient. So this m will be replaced. Y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 x minus x0. What is it? It is the equation of tangent. Is that okay? Equation of tangent. Y minus y0 is equal to gradient or slope or tan theta or the differentiated term f dash x0 x minus x0. Okay. So this is the equation of it. That is equation of tangent. Now we are talking about the normal. What is normal? You can imagine, suppose this is the curve, or you can treat this as a circle. So through the center when we are going to point of contact, this becomes a radius, and when you produce this radius, that would be the normal of everything which is a perpendicular on the surface. Okay. So that means this is a normal. This is the normal of the tangent. Normal always making a 90-degree angle to the tangent, isn't it? Because tangent is parallel to the surface. By the way, tangent is passing through a single point, but we can use it because this is a surface. So perpendicular simply will say that it is in the radial direction. The point line is coming, which is called the normal. So this normal is always perpendicular on the tangent, making 90 degree with each other. And we know that one thing, if two lines are perpendicular to each other and the gradient or the slope of first line is m1, second line is m2, angle between them is 90, then the relation between them m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. The product of two slopes is equal to minus 1. What does it mean? Both are perpendicular to each other. Is it okay? This is the normal. It is also passing through the point x0, y0. Okay. And we know that the slope of this is equal to f dash x0. So what is the slope of it? When we are finding m2, so m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1. Okay. That means the slope of this line is equal to minus 1 upon slope of this line. This is the condition. Okay. Equation of normal is equal to y minus y0, and it's f dash x0 will write here minus 1 upon f dash x0 x minus x0. What is it? This is the equation of normal. Okay. So the equation of tangent and equation of normal. You will remember these equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now we are talking about two special cases. We'll talk about two special cases. Special cases like number 1. If tangent is parallel to x-axis in the positive direction, tangent to parallel to x-axis, then what happens? This is the equation of tangent. If it is parallel to x-axis, this tangent which is parallel to x-axis, what does it mean? The slope is 0. Slope is 0 because what is tan theta? The angle which is making with the positive side of x-axis. Positive side of x-axis, tan theta is a tangent. Okay. So if tangent is parallel to x-axis, what does it mean? This term is equal to 0. F dash x0 is equal to 0. So equation of this is equal to y minus y0 is equal to 0. This is one condition. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Second case, tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. Then what is the condition? Tangent is perpendicular to x-axis. That means it is making an angle 90 degree with the x-axis. Tan 90. That means it is infinite. And infinite, what does it mean? 1 upon 0. 0 will be shifted here. So I'll write here x minus x0 is equal to 0. Okay. So remember these two special cases. It is infinite. That means 1 upon 0 or any term upon 0 will be shifted here. X minus x0 is equal to 0. Okay. So if tangent is parallel to x-axis, y minus y0 is equal to 0. And perpendicular to x-axis, x minus x0 is equal to 0. Okay. So these concepts will be used in solving questions of this exercise 13, this 6.3 exercise. Now I am taking some questions of exercise 6.3. It's a simple exercise. Only remember this thing, like if a tangent is parallel to x-axis, okay, then condition I told you, if the tangent is parallel to the given line, and you know that one thing, if two lines which are parallel to each other, their slope equal, two lines which are perpendicular to each other, in this case their slope gradient is equal to, their product is equal to minus 1. Okay. So these things we have to keep in our mind. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. First question, find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Find the slope of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Okay. What is the question? Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Simply we are going to find the slope of the tangent. That means dy by dx we are finding. Okay. Not equation, it is just a slope. So y is equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4 3 is 12 x cube minus 4. Okay. At x is equal to 4. So dy by dx at x is equal to 4. 12, 4 cube minus 4. In place of x we have to put 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64, 64 multiplied by 12. 12 4 is 48, 4, 12 6 is 72, 76. 768 minus 4. 768 minus 4. 764. Okay. What is it? It is the slope of the tangent. Clear? After question number 1, I think many questions of the same type of questions. Okay. I want to take question number 5. Find the slope of normal to the curve. Question number 5. Find the slope. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Of the normal to the curve, and curve is x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta, where theta is equal to at theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Question clear? Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Okay. Normal minus 1 upon f dash x. Okay. So we are finding first this is x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. So we are finding the value dy. Now first we are finding dy by dx. Dy by dx, what does it mean? Dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay, because here it is given that x is equal to a cos cube theta, so differentiate with respect to theta. How to find the dy by d theta? Differentiate this term. So y is equal to a sin cube theta, dy by d theta is equal to a sin cube theta, 3 sin square theta, and differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, upon dx by d theta. X is equal to a cos cube theta, 3a cos square theta, and differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. 3a cancel, 1 sin theta. See, this is 3a cancel, 1 sin cancel, 1 cos cancel. So it is coming sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Okay. So dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4, tan pi by 4. So tan 45, that is 1. So that means the value of dy by dx is equal to 1. So slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. So 1 minus 1 upon 1, that is, it is minus 1. So what is the slope of normal? Slope of the normal is minus 1. Okay. One question I am taking from it, number 8. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point 2, 0 and 4, 4. Okay. Question number 8, it's a different question. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Find the point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point 2, 0 and 4, 4. And what we are finding? Find the point on the curve. We are finding point on the curve. Okay. How to find the point on the curve? Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2, and again differentiation of x minus 2, that is 1. So it is coming dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 4. Is it okay? This is f dash x, we have got it. After that in the question it is given that at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the point. Okay. So this tangent dy by dx which is parallel to the chord joining the point. So in class 11th you have studied a formula equation of line passing through 2 points r. Second, slope of the line which is having 2 points. Okay. Slope of line passing through 2, 0 and 4, 4. Slope of the line passing through 2, 0 and 4, 4. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is a formula. x1 y1, x2 y2. This is x1 y1. It is x2 y2. y2 minus y1. 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2. So answer is 4 upon 2, that is 2. Okay. As given, this slope is given to this tangent. So as given, dy by dx is equal to 2. And dy by dx, what does it mean? 2x minus 4. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in y is equal to x minus 2 whole square here. So we will put y is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square, 1 square. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. That means the point 3, 1. So this is the point 3, 1. Okay, at which the tangent is 1 second. Okay, now I'm turning the page of this exercise 6.3 on the next page. Many questions are there, too much questions in this exercise. But all the questions are of the same pattern. Now I want to take, find the point on the curve at which the tangent is this. Tangent equation is already given, you can compare it simply. Okay. Here from question number 14 I am taking a question, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curves indicated point. Find the equations of the tangent and normals. This question I am solving, question number 14. Taking any one of the parts. So second part I am taking, question number 14, second part, in which we are find the equations of tangent and normal. Y is equal to, second part, y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 minus 10x plus 5. Just let me check question 1. So x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 1 comma 3. At 1 comma 3. Okay. What we are finding, find the equation of tangent and normal. y is equal to this term. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Okay. And this is at what? 1, 3. Right. So 1, 3, that means in place of x, I put here 1. Four minus 18, 1 square. Is that okay? This is the first x0 and it is y0. So x0 will put the value here. So the result is 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. Positive term 26 plus 4, it is 30, minus negative term 18 and 10 minus 28, result is plus 2. Okay. This is tangent slope. Slope is equal to 2. Equation of, now put x is equal to 2 in, it is 1, in equation number 1. So y is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus 6 2 cube plus 13 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 5. Okay. Y is equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 8 6 is 48 plus 4 15 4 is 52 minus 20 and plus 5. That means positive term here 16 plus 54 plus 5 57 6 to 8 8 5 13 1 6 7 73 and minus 68, result 5. Okay, so that means the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Equation of tangent. What is the formula? Y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 x minus x0. So right here y minus y0. The value of y is equal to 5. Y minus 5 is equal to dy by dx 2 and x minus 2. Okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. So it is coming y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 4, and that is 2x minus y is equal to minus 5 plus 4, it is minus 1. Or 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. What is it? It is the equation of tangent. Equation of normal. Equation of normal y minus y1 y0 is equal to minus 1 upon f dash x0 x minus x0. Y minus y0. The point y is equal to 5, we have got it. Minus 1 upon 2 x minus 2. 2y minus 10 is equal to minus x plus 2. So x plus 2y minus 10 minus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x minus y is equal to 0. In these two equations, you can remember always one thing. The coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y, coefficient of x 2, coefficient of y minus 1. Okay, that means the product of both the gradients is equal to minus 1. Okay. After this question, very interesting question I am taking. it is. Where it is given that parallel to x-axis, that means the dy by dx is equal to 0. Parallel to y-axis, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0. One question I am taking from it, that is question number 18, 1-8. Okay. Question number 18. For the curve y is equal to, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. This is a curve. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Through the origin. Okay. Find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. It's a very interesting question. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5, find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Actually, we don't know which type of curve is this. Okay. Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. So it is from here, if I put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, it is coming 2. I don't know which type of curve is this. Okay. It is passing through the origin. One point is 0, 0. Second point we don't know. So we'll consider because they are asking to find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay. So one point is 0, 0. And second point I am taking somewhere, it is x1, y1. Okay. The many tangents are passing. I don't know which type of situation is there. Okay. Because it is find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Okay. This curve, that means it is a tangent. One point on the tangent is origin, and the second point that we don't know which is the second point from where the tangent is passing. So we are considering that one point is x1, y1. Okay. Let the point x1, y1. Okay. Which point? Let the point x1, y1 from where the tangent is passing. Okay. From where tangent is passing. Let the point. One point x1, second point is 0, 0, it's already given. Okay. So that means y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. Okay. So this is the common point. x1, y1 will satisfy to y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. So I write here y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. Equation number 1. Okay. Now y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 3 4 is 12 x square minus 5 2 is 10 x to the power 4. Okay. Dy dx. And here the point I can take x1, y1. So that means what is coming here? 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4. Is it okay? Equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to gradient. Gradient is 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 to the power 4 x minus x1. Okay. it passes through the origin also. It passes 0, 0 also. So that means it will satisfy to the point in place of xy where I put 0 and 0. So when I put here 0, 0 minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power 4, and it is 0 minus x1. Then what is coming here? Minus y1 is equal to minus x1 multiplied by 12. So 12x1 cube minus 12x1 cube minus minus plus 10x1 to the power x1 to the power 5. Okay, that means y1 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5. This is y1. Okay, equation number 2. y1 and 2. Equation number 1 is y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5, and second is this y1 and 2. 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power 5. 4x1 cube minus 12x1 cube, or 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube, it is 8x1 cube, and minus 2 plus 10, 8. So right here 8x1 to the power 5 is equal to 8x1 cube. Is that okay? It is coming here plus 10, 10 minus 2 plus 8x1 5, and it is 12 minus 4, 8x1. Okay. 8x1 to the power 5 minus 8x1 to the power 3 is equal to 0. 8x1 cube taking common, so it is x1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And what does it mean? There are three values of x1. x1 is equal to 0. x1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x1 is equal to plus minus 1. So that means the value of x1 is equal to 0, 1 and minus 1. Three values we got it. Okay. If there are three values of x1, then the values of y1, we can put the value in any of the term here. x1 is equal to 0. Okay. x1 is equal to 0. Then y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power 5. So when I put x1 is equal to 0, then y1 is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, number 1. So 1 point is 0, 0. Second, x1 is equal to plus 1. Then y1 is equal to 4, 1 cube minus 2, 1 to the power 5. 4 minus 2, it is 2, 1, 2. Now put x1 is equal to minus 1. So y1 is equal to, in this equation we are putting three values, x1, 0, 1 and minus 1 here. 0, 1 and minus 1. So one value 0, second value 2, third we are putting minus 1 here. So it is coming 4 minus 1 cube minus 2 minus 1 to the power 5. So y1 is equal to, it is minus 4 and minus minus plus 2, that means minus 2. Okay. So what does it mean? There are 3 points, 3 values there. One is 0, 0. Second is 1, 2. And third is minus 1, minus 2. Okay. So how many points are there? There are 3 points, 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. So one is 0, 0, second is 1, 2 and second is minus 1, minus 2 here. Okay. Right. So these are the 3 points. It's a question. after this question, I want to take two more questions to discuss from this exercise. One is this. Question number 23. Question number 23. Prove that the curve x is equal to y square. Prove that the curve x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. X is equal to y square, xy is equal to k. Cut at a right angles. Cut at a right angles. Cut at a right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. There are two curves, x is equal to y square, xy is equal to k, cut at a right angle. Okay. So if they are cutting at a right angle, what does it mean? The gradient of this dy by dx and dy by dx, they are having a product is equal to -1. So we are finding the dy by dx of both, and the product is equal to -1 and getting the result. Okay. X is equal to y square. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 is equal to 2y dy by dx. That means dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y, and xy is equal to k. Here again differentiate with respect to x. First function, differentiation of second function, plus second function, differentiation of x1 is equal to 0. So here dy by dx is equal to -y upon x. Is that okay? Now the condition is they are cutting right angled, they are cutting at a right angle. That means, as given, 1 upon 2y multiplied by -y upon x is equal to -1. Because these two things are different. Okay. So may I cancel 1 cancel, -1 upon 2x is equal to -1. That means x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to minus cancel, x is equal to 1 by 2. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 in x is equal to y square. So y square is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore y is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. Now we are getting the value x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. It's okay. If these two values will be substituted in xy is equal to k, put x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2 in xy is equal to k. Then what is the result we are getting? 1 upon 2 multiplied by plus minus 1 upon root 2 is equal to k. Okay. And because we are getting the value 8k square is equal to 1, squaring on both sides. Squaring. So 1 upon 2 root 2. 1 upon 2 root 2 whole square is equal to k square. 1 upon 8 is equal to k square. So that means 8k square is equal to 1. Okay. 8k square is equal to 1. after that, one more question I am taking from this exercise. It's an interesting question. That is number 25. Question number 25. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root 3x plus minus 2. Tangent to the curve y is equal to root 3x minus 2. This is the equation to the curve, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5. Which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of tangent. Okay. Find the equation of tangent. This is the curve y is equal to root 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line. The tangent is parallel to this line. Okay. So now y is equal to root 3x minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. And again differentiation of 3x minus 2 is 3. That means 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. Is that okay? Right? dy dx is equal to 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. And condition is a tangent which is parallel to this line. Equation of line. Equation of line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. This line I want to convert into the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. So what is coming here? 2y is equal to 4x plus 5. Therefore y is equal to 4 upon 2 means 2x plus 5 by 2. This is the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So what is m? M is 2. Okay. And because this line is parallel to the tangent, what does it mean? Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2. And this means the value of dy by dx is 3 upon 2 root 3x minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. For finding the value of x, what should be done? This 2 will be shifted here. Root 3x is shifting there. So I write here 3 upon 4 is equal to root 3x minus 2 squaring 9 upon 16 is equal to 3x minus 2. So 9 upon 16 plus 2 is equal to 3x. Therefore 16 to the 32, 32 plus 9, 41 upon 16. So what does it mean? This means x is equal to 41 upon 16, 3 are 48. This is the value of x. Okay. Now this is the value of x will be substituted here. After that, put x is equal to 41 upon 48 in y is equal to root 3x minus 2. So y is equal to under root 3, the value of x, 41 upon 48 minus 2. Okay. It is 16, 3 are 48. Y is equal to 41 minus 16 to the 32 upon 16. So it is 9 upon 16, and 9 upon 16 means 3 upon 4. So the value of y is equal to 3 upon 4. Right? X is equal to 41 upon 48 and y is equal to 3 upon 4. We are going to find the equation of tangent. What is the formula for finding the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 x minus x0. Y minus y0, y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to f dash x dy by dx is coming 2 and x minus 41 upon 48. Okay. So it is coming y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2x minus, when you multiply 2 multiplied by 41, so it is 24, 41 upon 24. Okay. So that is 2x minus y minus 41 upon 24 plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus y, and hereby I take LCM. So LCM is coming 24. It is minus 41 plus 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 6 3 are 18 is equal to 0. Okay. So that means what is coming here? Here is 2x minus y, and that is minus 41 plus 18, 11 minus 8, 3, and 3 minus 1, 2, 23. Minus 23 upon 24 is equal to 0. Multiplied by 24, 48x minus 24y minus 23 is equal to 0 will be the equation of tangent. Okay, that's all. This is the equation of tangent, and this is the end of this exercise. Okay, in the next lecture we'll have to discuss about approximation. Till then, bye, thank you, and thanks for watching my channel.